Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone! Today, we're diving into the art of crafting the perfect quiche crust, a fundamental step for any delicious quiche. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients: 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of very cold unsalted butter cut into small cubes, and 4 tablespoons of ice water. The key to a flaky crust is keeping everything cold, so make sure your butter is straight from the refrigerator. Let's get started. Now, let's mix our dough. In a food processor, pulse the flour and cold butter together until the mixture resembles coarse crumbs, about 10 to 15 pulses. Then, gradually add the ice water, 1 tablespoon at a time, pulsing just until the dough barely comes together. You might not need all 4 tablespoons. The goal is a shaggy dough that holds its shape when squeezed, not a smooth ball. Overworking the dough develops gluten, making it tough, and we want tender flakiness. Once your dough is mixed, gently form it into a flat disc, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap, and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This chilling period is crucial. It allows the gluten to relax and the butter to firm up, making the dough easier to roll. After chilling, roll the dough on a lightly floured surface to an even 1/8 inch thickness, creating a 12-inch circle. Carefully transfer it into a 9-inch pie plate, pressing it gently into the bottom and sides, then trim the edges. The final step for a perfect quiche crust is blind baking. Line your prepared crust with parchment paper and fill it with pie weights or dried beans. This prevents the crust from puffing up and shrinking. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Then, carefully remove the parchment paper and weights and continue baking for another 5 to 10 minutes or until the crust is lightly golden. This ensures a crisp, non-soggy base for your quiche filling. Enjoy your perfectly baked crust.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.